Hey crypto traders, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're talking about an amazing personal achievement and a critical update on ETH. You might have seen the news. I was voted a winner of the Binance The Blockchain 100 event. This is why you follow us, because the community believes in the accuracy of our calls. And yes, I'll see you in Dubai this December. Now, let's talk about Ethereum, because this chart's got me looking twice. We've got an indecision alert and signs that a pullback is on the horizon. The daily view is flashing a doji candle, signaling pure indecision. The uptrend is still intact, but the bulls are battling hard. However, the weekly outlook is looking overbought and overextended. Prices jammed right under the major resistance levels between 46.40 and 48.70. This feels exactly like the setup before our last massive bearish dip. I'm expecting a pullback to at least the $4,000 zone or less before any fresh bull breakout. A healthy reset is needed. If we stay trapped under those heavy resistances without new buy volume, a bearish correction could drop us toward 3,800 to 3,650. The charts are dictating the move, and we need to stay vigilant. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at our trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.